everyone. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic, that is English speaking skill or English communication skill. English communication skill is the key component in today's time to be successful. Your communication skill will make you stand out in the crowd. With English speaking ability, you can get a job, you can clear an interview, you can even get a promotion, negotiate about your salary, you can even attend your child's parent teacher meeting, and even you can make a strong impression on everyone you met. But how is it possible? This is the main question. So today I am going to tell you about 5 most important steps to improve English speaking skill. The first step is surround yourself in English. You have to surround yourself in English speaking environment and learn English in all possible way from wherever you can. So you have to surround yourself from all possible ways. Second is practice the 4 core skills. This is reading, listening, speaking, and writing. So you have to work on all the 4 core skills. All are equally important. You can even start with children's storybook because they are easy to understand and imitate, and you can select according to your level. So even you can according to your level, you can listen to English news and you can read English newspaper. You can even sing an English song, write short stories, articles, and blogs also. Third point is don't hesitate. So this is not it's not help you in any way if you will hesitate. If you want to speak English, you have to be confident. Start with the people with whom you are confident enough. You can start speaking English with your family and friends who can support you. And then fourth point is speak. So we all know that practice makes a man perfect. So speak in whatever possible way you can to, and this is the key to success. Now fifth point is get support. Even you can join institute where you can speak in front of group, and there is someone who can guide you, and even they can give you some debate topics, speech topics in which you can practice, and there is someone is required who can actually guide us properly. This is very important to get support. So you can join any online English speaking academy also, from where in which you can learn from your own place and in the comfort of your own place and time. Even you can join my academy, my online academy also. So if you want to join my online academy, you can email me at archanakhali@gmail.com. So you can subscribe my channel and share it with all those people who want to learn English, because I keep on uploading new videos on different levels: basic, intermediate, and advanced. You can get all type of videos. So okay, start speaking English and enjoy this language. That is the most important thing, and don't hesitate. We are with you. Okay, bye.